Phuket, what are you doing to me, mate? I thought you were supposed to be a beautiful tropical island, and you've just been a miserable, smelly, horrible... Nah, Phuket's cool, but it's raining. For the 50 millionth day in a row, it's raining in Phuket. But today we are going ATV riding. ATV riding up to Big Buddha and back again, I guess. I'm pretty excited for this. I've been wanting to do this the whole trip, so today's the day we're doing it. And it's raining, but I think that might make it better because it's going to be muddy. So we're going to go grab something to eat for breakfast, lunch, and then we're going to shoot off and go do ATV riding at Big Buddha. Get the kit on for the day. We're only back at the old same little area we've been, Kamala Beach, the local, mate. Get some brekkie. Change of plans. The ATV company just messaged us and said it's too rainy to go ATVing. So instead we are going to go to a water park that has like slides and rides and all that kind of shit. And if they say it's too wet to do that, I'll be fuming. Pack rappel for lunch and then we're off. Yeah, it's a bit stinky, you know. Yesterday we wanted to go surfing and then there was no waves, and today we want to go biking and there's no, well, it was too wet, so, and then today we're like, oh well, we'll go surfing then, but it's dead flat, like there's no waves at all. And I don't know if you know anything about surfing, but you need waves to surf, so we'll figure it out. Rainy old Phuket. Lovely. Give us a 360.
Oh, this is the Fit OOTD.
Bike life. Something's wrong when you're wearing a bloody jersey in Thailand, mate. I tell you that for free. And we fucking made it, cuz. Little mission on the bike ski, and now we're here. I've been here once before, last time I was in Thailand last year. And I had heaps of fun, so I'm pretty excited to be back here. The rain's actually stopped too, which is, well, it doesn't really matter to us now, but probably nice. Overcast, so it's not too hot, and hopefully it's not that busy and there won't be lines for the rides. Hey, we're in the joint. All right, let's go this way. Yeah. Alright, we've got a tube, we're ready for our first ride. Let's get it. Here we go. They didn't make it up, they got stuck. Supposed to go down there and then the jets push you up. The jets will push you up, but they obviously weren't heavy enough to make it go. I hope we're heavy enough. That's what we're about to do. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, oh. Whoa! Oh!
Wow!
Whoa! Yeah! Now I gotta go walk down the stairs with this GoPro because they won't let me go down with it. Oh shit! Let's go! Oh, this is pussy ass! Oh, the wave's starting. The wave's starting. I'm in the way of the Instagrammers behind me. Nah, it'll get bigger though. It'll get bigger. I'm peeing right now. Well, that was a bit underwhelming, that little wave, wasn't it?
I don't even want to go in there. I'd rather stay right here. No sandy feet.
Alright, a bit of a wave pool situation here. I don't know if it's, we were looking at it, it doesn't look like much of a wave pool, but maybe it's different when you're in it. So let's have a look. Alright, where's the waves at, brother? I reckon it's every 15 minutes there's a wave. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Oh, is that it? Here we go. Here we go. Is that it? Oh, it breaks. It does break. I remember actually riding it all the way in, but you get fucked up because you get so shallow and it's hard ground. Yeah. Wave pool. Cars. There's bigger waves at the beaches that we can't bloody surf at. Wow. Wow. Bit of lazy rivering, mate. Oh, bit of a push. Oh, oh shit. Do a little, oh, hey.
You pushed me.
Stopped for a bit of a afternoon tea, I suppose. Bit of a barbecue chicken pizza and a Coke. I just dropped the famous bit of chicken.
Did you?
Yeah. It's quite a cool park here. I think it's like the biggest water park there is in Thailand. So yeah, definitely cool if you wanted to do it. You can bring the kids as well, obviously. Yeah, it's good fun. Even on a rainy day like today, it's, you know, kind of ideal to do something like this. It is a little bit cold, like when you get out of the water, but oh well. Yeah, let's go. Oh shit, I'm backwards. Oh! Yeah, that's the bad boy there. See you later, Undermunda. Cool spot, good vibes. We're gonna go to that mall that we've gone to a couple times where the aquarium's at. We're gonna go there and grab us a feed and that because we're in the area. Scratch that, we're actually gonna go to a night market because it's just down the road. So we'll cruise over to this night market. Chillva market. We've arrived.
The market to be chill at.
It's the chillest market in all of Phuket. Right. I'm not really, are you hungry?
Not yet.
I'm not really hungry.
Just ate.
So I don't really know what we're looking for, but
We're here.
we're here anyway, so we'll have a look. Bit of vintage. Bit of a vintage Caparoo.
Hey, you have that one.
Yeah.
This one. Remember?
The jacket. Little Harley Davidson. Oh, those. How much do you want for this puppy? No price on it. It's tidy though. That's a gangster little jacket. Oh, what's that on the back? How much are the Carhartts, Bella?
This one 15,000.
15,000.
You can try.
Wow. Rare item.
Yeah, for Carhartt jacket, the price starts from 2,800.
Wow.
Yeah, but for this one is special detail and green color.
Very cool. Nice. 15,000, you're dreaming, cuz. You're fucking dreaming. That's like 750 bucks for a Carhartt jacket. A smelly old Carhartt. You're out of your mind, mate. That's pretty cool. Pretty standard bootleg garments. Food on. Oh yeah. All food that way. It's this way, all food too. There's so much yum food here, but I'm just not even hungry right now. That late lunch, afternoon tea, probably pizza and burger, no, pizza and fries filled me up. There's some yum food around though. Chillva market, bro. The lady had a bird on her head. Oh, ice cream shop. I can't get over that. That lady had a little green bird on her head. In and out of Chillva market. Macy bought a couple shirts. But yeah, it's a cool little small market. It's been raining all day, so probably be nicer on a dry day. You know, it seems like they have like a lot of spots for live music to play, which is cool. Cool vibe. But yeah, small-ish, medium-sized market. But we're out of here. we're just having some dinner, bro. Oh, you can't even see it on the fucking light. We'll go this way. Yeah, nice. Nice. The living room. That was a nice vibe, bro. That was a nice that was a nice vibe there. It was a little bit expensive, but still, in relative to where we are from, it's still a good price. But you're sort of paying for the experience a little bit as well, you know.
It was flash.
Yeah, it was flash as, and there was like a nice restaurant, and then they had like a little smokers area, like you can smoke out the front, and they're selling little pre-rolls and stuff as well. So yeah, it was a nice vibe. You get to sit out there and enjoy your dinner and dessert. There's just shops everywhere. This whole street's just one after the other. Alright, we've picked up some 7-Eleven snacks. We're on our way back to the bike, back to our room. One more day in Kamala Beach tomorrow. So we'll see you then.